quadratic function can be expressed in various forms. As we can see here, we have the more commonly used general form in the middle, and we have the vertex form and also the intercept form. So today we will explore ways to get the vertex from different forms of quadratic functions. Of course, if we can express any function given, any quadratic function given in vertex form, we can get the vertex quite easily. I will show you later, but that requires a bit of work. So let's start now. The vertex is either a maximum point or the minimum point, depending on the value of A actually, right? I think we have learned this, all right? Yeah. If the value of A is, I'll just put it here, greater than 0, so positive, we expect the vertex to be a minimum point. And if A is less than 0, meaning negative, we expect our vertex to be a maximum point. All right, so let's continue. Okay, now in vertex form we can get the vertex minimum maximum point quite easily by taking the value of h and the k, x minus h equals to 0, x equals to h. So in the case of general form, we can get the vertex by applying this formula, negative b over 2a and f of negative b over 2a. In the case of intercept form, we can get the vertex by doing p plus q over 2. All right, x equals to p, x equals to q. P plus q divided by 2 and f of p plus q over 2. All right, let me demonstrate with one maybe example. All right, remember maybe let me use the same example the other day in general form in the last two videos, I think. We use this 2x squared plus 4x minus 16, I think. I think we managed this general form by expanding the same function in intercept form. All right, and also we managed to get our vertex form by completing the square. 2x plus 1 square minus 18. All right, so we are looking at the same quadratic function here, just that the function is expressed in 3 different forms. Okay, let's start. So vertex form, I think is rather straightforward. It's negative 1, negative 18. All right, x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to negative 1. And let's continue. In the case of a general form, so I think we need to use this formula. Negative b over 2a, that gives us negative 4 over 2 multiplied by 2a, so that's negative 4 over 4, we get negative 1. And next we do f of -1. Yeah, remember? Yeah, refer to this again. Yeah. And why -1? The value of negative b over 2a, the x actually. Yeah. Yeah. So we use the same the function, yeah, -1 square plus 4x minus 16. Oh, sorry. This should be -1 minus 16. Yeah. So then I get 2 minus 4 minus 16. I get minus 18. Yeah. So we manage our vertex. And please compare with the vertex we managed earlier. And they are the same. All right. So finally, let's look at our intercept form. Yeah. We can get the vertex by, yeah, first p plus q over 2. That's what we are going to do. P plus q over 2, which is the p, x plus 4, x minus -4, right? Plus, yeah, x minus q, so the q is 2. Be careful with this. All right, so I get -2 over 2. That gives me -1 again. So I do f of -1. Yeah, similar to what we did earlier. Yeah, the -1 is actually from here. So the formula looks complicated. Yeah, it's actually quite straightforward if you are familiar with it. Yeah, so using the function in intercept form now, x is -1 plus 4, x is -1 minus 2. So I manage 4 minus 1, 3, this is -3, so I get 2, 3, 6, -3, 6, 18. Done. We get the same vertex of -1, -18. Yeah, please compare. Yeah, with the vertex we manage here and here. All right. Yeah. So in after getting the vertex, yeah. So regardless of the forms of quadratic function, yeah, the axis of symmetry, yeah. So, yeah, is x equals to -1. Yeah, so from here. Yeah, yes. From same here and here as well. All right, so done. Okay.